'71 Cheyenne with LT4 in it. Look at the metalwork on this thing. I like the fact that they wanted the satin underneath too. Oh, there comes the music. Well, let's see. Maybe I can talk over it now.
It's a perfect song too.
Wow.
Ain't that a shame? You got to turn off the camera.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Yep.
Man.
I like the black stain. Oh,
guys, this is just exceptional here. 106 with 10,000.
This is the original interior. They just sent it out and had it dry cleaned.
Just crazy. Suicide doors on it. It's just nuts. Wow. Yeah, read it. 57, 10,000 original miles. Original interior. Yeah, this is a top level star car. Look at this original interior.
Oh, I know this.
10,000
As soon as you get there in the morning, you got to sign up.
Unbelievable.
Once you get in there. Hey, go see you tomorrow. See you next week.
Thank you for coming by.
Absolutely beautiful. There you go. There's a rare piece of automotive history right there. Bitch and Scout. I wonder if it's a 70 or 72. Boy, you sure don't see these three hold together. This one you can run back to.
And it's one of those. It looks good when you're far, but
so much earlier than I ever thought.
you don't feel bad when you scratch it.
this one here still needs to go. So I have
Nice desert car. That is off the hook. Full swing kit. Perfection. 56. Bel Air. 57. Wagon. Badass. Roadster. 65. 66. Corvette 350. Afterburner. Checking on your registration. Nice Pantera 351. Beautiful restore. 73. Right up against your tailpipe. A lot going on here. Now here's a 65. Hard to tell the difference. Big block. Oh my lord. 396.
send off an email saying I registered
sweet.
online when registration first opened, but I never received a confirmation. So.
69 Firebird, exceptional LS converted, gorgeous overall. 1800 P 68 maybe. Let's see how close I got. 1866. Sweet. These step sides out here, man. I'm surprised when these step sides you see. Standard small block 350. Sweet. Ooh, look at this Impala. Looking like a 59. Oh, she's a sweetheart. Man. Crazy. Sport coupe. Air conditioned factory. Yep, factory air. Just gorgeous. I think a 54 Bel Air, maybe 53. Dude, this Bel Air is insane. Wow. Got the Lucky Strikes, got the Arrow, 54, yeah? Look at these. Never seen those before. I'm not sure if they're markers or curb filters or turn signal indicators or what the hell they're supposed to be. Straight six, all original. Wow. Beautiful deluxe right next to it. Killer. 52 split window. Is this a lot of jets? I'm not sure. Which cars I haven't seen before? They're enforced. Out of Arizona.
Oh yeah.
Dude, another beautiful cow. Yeah, he was so far over on that car.
Yeah.
Lives in Arizona.
That one's
Yep.
nice too.
The Camry or the Nova?
The Woody.
Oh, yeah. I just caught a glimpse of it. Hey, we're almost in the other line here. Look at this. Surf and Speed Delivery Motorsports. But see, this is more everyman right here. Oh, Kenny Duncan. I don't know Kenny Duncan. Look at that. Man. Definitely lost the Harley Earl flavor in 55. The belt line just goes to hell on the specials. But it's still, I mean, this is an exceptional example. Man, just not the same car. Okay, guys, 59. So you got to tell us here, 409 tri-power, 348 or 409. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Let me know. Take a look at this thing, fully bagged, dropped, revved wheels. Look at this interior. Wow, fully breathable, perforated. Beautiful car overall. It is a 60. I said 59, I don't know why I said that, but yeah, there you go. Nice stuff. Yeah, I bet you guys have never seen a Nash Rambler wagon like this. Look at the faux wood. Of course, I didn't see it, but Robert did. But then again, the sun was in my eyes, that's my excuse.
And I like the wheels.
Love the wheels on this thing. Overall, it is just exceptional.
Is it? Yeah.
What a sweetheart.
They just finished it.
Yeah, Budnick in it. Yeah, we're all just drooling over this.
Well, he's getting judged.
Oh yeah, center cover. I'll tell you what, I don't even come close to anything. Look at this bumper line here. This is a 59.
Rick Hendrick.
This guy has over 75 cars. 61?
Everything
It's a
fell.
50, man. I was thinking it was like a 59 or something like this. A 50. One of 75 cars out of a collection that Don Linford manages.
Those are billet specialty wheels, and then again the bumper just Frenched in top right.
Yeah, this is crazy. Beautiful. This is another just high end. See, and there we go. The Oldsmobile, Harley Earl belt line. Gorgeous. Oh, it's a Lincoln or a Packard?
I was gonna say, is it a Lincoln?
That's a Packard.
And
Look at this all original.
yeah, he said the original intakes are better than those aftermarkets.
Yep. We learned. Scoundrels. Okay, I have been proven wrong. It is a Lincoln. I thought it was a Packard. Lincoln. Oh, yeah, it sure is. I am wrong. Yep. There we go. There's this
Scoundrels. What a cool name.
Isn't that a great name? Yeah, this is laid out. Now, again, I called this a Packard. I was completely wrong. Lincoln. It's not a Connie, is it?
Santina.
A little bit of Santina going on.
On the pink end.
Look at that in front of the door. I don't know if you guys can see that one, but yeah, this is crazy. Electric windows in front of the door. High school car, you say?
That's what it says.
That's awesome. 340 Dusty guys on the Budnicks. Sick. 71.
Sublime.
Sublime, exactly. Here's to you, Bradley. Very cool. 69 Mustang. Ooh, that's a sweetheart. You know, Mark Sultan has one of these.
Oh yeah.
He's been in the shop for 3 years. That's what happens when you barbecue. He was smoking and barbecuing all the time.
Oh shit.
Look at this sucker, man. Beautiful 69.
Look at the size of those.
Wow. Arius heads, BDS blower. Yeah, this is Cole's. Look at this interior, distressed leather. Yeah, we're only hitting the specials of the specials today, my friends. Look at this, how busy it is. Insanity. I'm almost out of battery. Ah, another beauty right here, 62. Look at this, man. I like how he did the gray. I like how he graded out. Look at the valve covers on this sucker, dude. The phony valve covers. See, those are hot. Whole car. It's Apollo Row here. Look at this Nomad. Yeah, love it. Dude, the dimple guys work. Here's where the magic starts. Insane. There you go. I've known them for 10 years now. And this Chevy they built for 8 years. You gotta say hi to Bev. Oh, Bob's here too. Good. This thing's off the hook. Such a crazy build. Yeah, earlier today. Heading over to Ward's right now. Kind of a split up day, excuse me. I had a sandwich. Heading over to the awards right now. Willie from Willie's Automotive, one of our club members, he won. So I want to make sure I'm over there while he gets his trophy. I can see David and a bunch of our people over here. Let's go check it out.